Our finger licking good. It is unbelievable. Haley just loves her corn, and she is just licking her fingers, and that's when her great grandpa does his best work. When she starts licking her fingers, I know she's had it good. And who needs napkins when it's that good? You just wipe it on your shirt, and it's well, of course at the end we gave her some napkins, but and then she gives you the thumbs up and the smile on her face, and the corn. Oh my God, it's corn on the cob done on the barbecue. It's just absolutely an amazing sight to see when your great-grandchild is that happy. Come on, Haley, try that again. I gotta get that on camera. Come on.
The butter's just dripping.
Oh my God. Isn't that great?
There's a napkin.
Oh, perfecto. Oh yeah. Oh, wipe with your shirt. Yeah. Did we not give you a napkin, Haley? How come you don't have a napkin, Haley?
Here, use mine.
Wow.
Got raspberries for you.
From where?
Janet's garden.
Janet's?
Yeah, fresh picked by the girl.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Joni, what's going on?
Nobody can catch me. I'm the fastest swimmer
Hang on, I'm gonna pull my ring away.
Should we run in to get the girls? Okay.
Race!
Oh, race.
Come on, Joni. Oh, there you go. Way to go, guys. Sauerkraut, shrimp. You don't like corn. Haley loves corn. I think I went inside 15,000 times.
And I'm half done my meal.
Exactly.